Chia seeds are natural suppressors of appetite because they absorb the water, enlarging and causing a sensation of stomach fullness. Chia seeds can accelerate metabolism in this way. They manage to burn the fats located in the waist and abdomen. Also, it helps us to digest the fats that we have consumed during the day. The chia helps us, especially to get a flat stomach. Due to its omega-3 content, it is also a great ally to combat cellulite and prevent premature aging. And not only that, but it is also anti-inflammatory. On the other hand, chia helps us to moderate our appetite. If we consume it regularly, it will act as satiating. It will fill our stomachs and prevent us from eating more than we should. It is also an excellent regulator of the intestine. It has a high fiber content, which regulates the lazy intestine, but it is also essential that we drink 2 liters of water a day. Ingredients: 5 grams of chia seeds, 300 milliliters of water, 1 lemon. Preparation: squeeze the lemon juice over an empty glass. Now add the chia seeds together with the water and lemon juice until all the ingredients are mixed. Now you can enjoy your delicious chia drink to lose weight. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your